So today we will be trying to install NetWeaver as ABAP from Installation Master. Okay. So has everyone joined the call or still someone is waiting? But Neha Ajinkya, this is not joined. Okay. Just a minute. I'll just try to contact him because he should not miss this.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So there is a network issue from Nilesh end. So we will just start now. Okay. So I think you are able to see the screen. So I'll just access this server. So we have the screenshot for each and every installation. Okay. So before I start with the SAP NetWeaver installation, so we'll just go through this SID part. Okay. SID is nothing but the system identification. So what we will be doing is we will be installing the 3 servers, that is development, and production. Okay. So we'll go step by step. So development server, I tell you how to do installation. Already the documents of this is already shared. And then later on, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can try with quality server, and production we will do it later on. Okay. So what is system identification? System identification for our server we will keep as BID. Okay. That is BI for development server. Then BIQ, that is quality, and BIP is nothing but the production. Okay. So in SAP, we identify the systems with the name SID. Okay, that is the system identification. So we will try to install first this for BID and BIQ and BIP. Okay. So I will refer the document which is there in the Google Drive. Okay. So if you see here, actually this document is prepared by one of my former student. Okay. So if you see here, we need to run SAP inst. Okay. See from downloads installation master. Okay. So I will just go here. I'll go into my computer. D drive. Downloads. Installation master. Go into this folder for Windows x86. And if you see here, there is a exe called SAP inst. Okay. Right click, run as administrator. Okay. So in this document, I have given the steps where exactly you need to go. Okay. Step by step. So this is the installation master which we have already run, okay, through this exe SAP Inst. So from this product, we are installing SAP NetWeaver enhancement package 1. So we need to select that. I will drop down this. We are installing ABAP stack. So that's the reason we take SAP application server app. Then what is the database? So database is MS SQL. Then we'll be installing this as a central system. Okay. So if you see in this document also, step-by-step document is there. Okay. So you can refer it from the Google Drive, which I already shared with you people. Okay. So I think Nilesh has joined, I guess. Okay, Nilesh has joined. Okay. Fine. So the central system, we'll select the central system and we'll click on next. So here there are two options, typical and custom. So we always select custom because we will be giving the parameter according to our requirement. Okay, so that's the reason we select custom. So I will click on next. SAP Inst needs to log off. Okay, so just click on OK. So it will get log off and then we need to log in again. So today I will do this installation using this BID development. Tomorrow, one of you can just do the installation. I will monitor it, what people are doing. Okay. So it is updating system DLLs. It will take some time.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
So if you see here, it asks for the JRE directory. So JRE directory is located on C drive. Actually, JRE means nothing is but the Java. So we need to give the path of Java what we install. So I will just browse this. I will go into C drive, program files x86, and here is the Java. So this path you need to provide. Okay. So if you see the document also, see the document also shows the same thing. Okay. So I will click OK here. So I've given this GRA path. I will click on next. So if you see on this screen, it asks for the SAP SID. So SAP SID is nothing but the development server, that is BID. Okay, BI stands for business intelligence and D stands for development. What is the installation drive? Installation drive is D drive. So we will be installing SAP on D drive. Okay. What is Unicode system? Unicode system is nothing but SAP supports multiple language. Multiple language means what? It supports Chinese, it supports English, it supports German. So there are various types of languages it supports. So that's the reason it's called Unicode system. Okay, which supports multiple languages. So I will click next here.